Another function we have is COALESCE function. This function returns the first expression that does not evaluate to blank. That means we can provide multiple expressions inside this function, and it will return the value of that expression, first expression, that is not blank, right? So if all the expressions are evaluating to blank, then it will return blank. So as the syntax is saying, we have coalesce function and we can provide multiple expressions into it, and the parameters we have are all expressions. We can provide n number of expressions into it, and if n, this is the expression that returns a scalar expression, right? So it returns a scalar value coming from one of the expressions or blank if all the expressions evaluate to blank. So remark is input expressions may be of different data types. So we can provide expressions of multiple or different data types. So let me just go to my Power BI desktop. Here I'll be creating one function as coalesce function for demonstration of it. So I'll rename it as coalesce function. Here I'll give the name, then it will display the syntax and the definition of it. Here I'll be giving first value. So let's say uh, sum of, let's say, sales amount, right? Then I can provide one more value, let's say max. Here let's say max of what, max of quantity we have sold. Sorry, let's, it's quantity, right? You will see that both expressions are not none, are not blank, but once it will find the very first expression that is evaluating to non-blank value, it will return me that particular value itself. So I'll be creating one card here, right? Here we will be displaying the value of it, coalesce function, right? So it is displaying me the sum of sales, right? Let me just copy the formatting and paste it here. Also let me just copy the card and let me just remove this function and display sum of sales, right? So this is same, that means it is displaying me the sales amount. Now let me just give it something different. Let's say let me give it instead blank here, right? So that means the first expression is blank and second is maximum order quantity. So what it will return, it will return the first non-blank value, right? So it is displaying me 14. So I have sold maximum 14 quantity, right? So it displays the first non-blank expression, correct? So this is the use case of coalesce function, right? Also we can also return some static value also. For example, uh, first non-blank value, right? So if I commit it, it will give me this string. See, if I just collapse it and display first non-blank value, right? So this is how this coalesce function works.